Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening the console now, press the tilde key or the alternate key on some keyboards, and act fast. Click the NPC, object, or yourself to lock a reference. This ensures commands affect the right target. Once done, use help followed by a keyword to find ID or exact names, so you don't guess. Make sure to note the numeric ID or exact string, because precise input prevents mistakes and speeds every following step. Next, learn the commands and their syntax clearly so you can act without hesitation. For items, use player. Add item followed by the item ID and account. Start with small numbers to test. For stats, setev assigns an absolute value, while modev adds or subtracts from current totals. Use modev when you want incremental changes. Also, remember to confirm the target reference if needed, and press Enter after each command to execute it immediately. To finish, always save before running risky commands. Create a test quick save so you can revert instantly. Execute the final adjustments, then check the game state, inventory, quest markers, or NPC behavior to confirm success. If something goes wrong, try Disable then Enable, or use Movito Player for misplaced NPCs. If items are wrong, remove item restores balance. Make sure to reload your backup save if repairs fail, because that single precaution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.